Students, today we'll discuss about the population growth models, and there are two types of population growth model. First is exponential exponential growth, and second one is logistic growth. Okay, so exponential growth model and logistic growth model. Okay, and first we will discuss about the exponential growth model, this one a graph. Okay, and a is represented, or it is uh, created when resources are not limited. Suppose resources are not limiting the growth. Okay, plot is exponential, means when resources are unlimited. Okay, and we will plot the population growth with respect to time. We obtain a J-shaped curve. This is a J-shaped curve. Then the growth model become exponential. Okay, and here uh, the resources are unlimited, food and space are unlimited. Okay, and each species has the ability to realize fully its innate potential to grow in number. मीन्स जब रिसोर्सेज अनलिमिटेड होंगे तो किसी भी जगह पर, पर्टिकुलर जगह पर जो पॉपुलेशन होगी वो उसके लिए फूड एंड स्पेस इनफ अमाउंट में होगा और वो वहाँ पर पोटेंशली जो है ग्रो करेगी नंबर में. जब नंबर में ग्रो करेगी तो वहाँ पे पॉपुलेशन क्या होती जाएगी, इंक्रीज होती जाएगी विद टाइम. ओके, कंटिन्यूसली इंक्रीज होती जाएगी. सो हेयर डी एन अपॉन डी टी इजकल टू आर एन. ओके, वेयर or under the exponential growth we obtain a formula called nt is equal to n0 ert. Okay, and where nt is the population density after t time, and n is the population size, and n0 is the population density at the time 0, and r is a intrinsic rate of natural increase, and its value is 0.0205. Okay, actually its value varies. Okay, and e is the base of natural logarithm which value is whose value is 2.71828. ओके, तो यहाँ पर जो है वो जो फार्मूला आता है एन टी इज इक्वल टू n0 ert. Okay, so here the r is a intrinsic rate of natural increase, and e is the base of natural logarithm. Okay, and r is an important parameter assessing impacts of biotic and abiotic factors on population growth. Okay, and here the shape of plot is J-shaped in exponential. Now let us take the example of the discuss about the logistic growth model. And here when resources are limiting the growth. Okay, means here resources are limited in number. After some time the resources become limited. Initially the resources are enough, but when the population starts utilizing the resources, ultimately one time come at which the resources become limited and the growth become constant. With time, no increase, and this is a peak point where this population at this time period contains holds maximum population size. Okay, at this point, that this and it means that point at which the population holds maximum number of organisms, or maximum density, maximum population size, is called carrying capacity of that population at that time. Okay, so and the carrying capacity is denoted by the k later. Okay, and here we got the formula dn upon dt is equal to Rn into k minus n upon k. So where is the k is a carrying capacity. Okay, when resources are limited, and you know that in nature, uh, in fact, resources are limited. Okay, each resources is limit in number, limit in value. Okay, and none resources is we cannot consider the any resource is unlimited. So in nature, the more realistic growth model is S-shaped or logistic. ओके, तो लॉजिस्टिक ग्रोथ जो है नेचर में मोर रियलिस्टिक है दैन दैट ऑफ द एक्सपोनेंशियल, बिकॉज इन नेचर रिसोर्सेज आर नॉट लिमिटेड, नॉट अनलिमिटेड, है ना. इन स्पाइट ऑफ अनलिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज आर लिमिटेड, सो वी ऑब्टेन दिस एस शेप्ड. Okay, so these two are the main growth models.